Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we learn essay on my goal in life. So let's start. Introduction. Everyone has a goal or ambition in life. A goal gives us direction and motivation to work hard. My goal in life is to become a doctor because I want to help sick people and serve society. Why I want to become a doctor? First is helping others. A doctor saves lives and helps people stay healthy. I want to help poor and needy patients who cannot afford treatment. Respective profession. Doctors are respected in society because they work selflessly for others. Third is interest in science. I love studying science and I find human biology very interesting. How will I achieve my goal? Hard work. In studies, I will study well, score good marks and prepare for medical entrance exam. Second is discipline and dedication. I will stay focused and work with determination to achieve my dreams. Third is helping people now. Even before becoming a doctor, I can help people by learning first aid and volunteering at hospital. Conclusion, my ambition is to become a doctor and serve humanity. I know it requires hard work and dedication, but I am ready to put in all my efforts. I believe that my determination and the right mindset, I can achieve my dream and make the world a better place. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe.